Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, the question needs to be asked, can you actually get Amazon reviews removed? The answer is yes, it's possible to delete Amazon reviews, but it's not always straightforward. Amazon has set criteria for what types of reviews can be taken down. Reviews that are fake, offensive, or violate privacy can often be removed. The process requires patience and a bit of know-how, and we'll share all of the steps you need for success. Step 1. Understanding Amazon's review content guidelines. When you are trying to delete an Amazon review, it's important to align with the platform's community guidelines. Before you jump straight into trying to remove a review, take some time to align your arguments for removal with Amazon's policies. Step 2. Remove Amazon reviews by reporting abuse. Locate the review you want to remove on your product's page. Scroll to the bottom of the review where you will see two options, helpful or report abuse. Click on Submit if the review violates Amazon's community guidelines. This alerts Amazon's moderation team to review the content. Step 3. Email Amazon for more detailed reporting options. Send an email to the Amazon Community Help Team if you need to explain why a review should be removed in more detail. Include the product's ASIN, the date and time of the review, and the reviewer's name or nickname. Clearly explain why the review is inappropriate, citing specific parts of Amazon's community guidelines that the review violates. Be concise and professional in your message. Step 4. Contact Amazon Seller Support. If the review is still up after you've reported it, reach out to Amazon Seller Support via your Seller Central account. Provide details of the review, your initial report, and any correspondence you've had with Amazon about the issue. Request further assistance and be sure to document your communications, including a case ID for your report. Step 5. Escalate to Amazon's Community Abuse Team. In cases where seller support is unable to help, escalate the issue by emailing the Community Abuse Escalation Team. Offer a detailed explanation of the situation, including how the review violates specific Amazon guidelines and the impact it has on your business. Attach any previous correspondence with Amazon to show your prior attempts to resolve the issue. Remember to keep these points in mind throughout the process. Amazon does not offer an immediate delete option for reviews. Reviews will only be removed if they violate Amazon's guidelines. Reporting a review does not ensure its removal. Negative feedback that complies with Amazon's policies typically won't be removed. Patience is key, as the review evaluation process can take some time. And that's it. For more tips and support, check out the full guide about how to remove Amazon reviews on our website in the description below.